It means a weak person. Sentence form can be, he's just a man of straw, easily manipulated by powerful people. Second is ABC. Very funny idiom, right? Its meaning is very common knowledge. Let's use it in a sentence. Sam doesn't know ABC of chemistry. Third is heart and soul. It means paying full devotion to something. For example, she threw herself heart and soul to pass the examination. Fourth is ups and downs. It means prosperity and adversity. A sentence from this idiom can be, there are ups and downs in every business. Fifth is time and tide. The meaning is course of time. Sentence formed from it can be, time and tide waits for none.